Hello! For most people, Iso-Syöte is probably best known as a downhill skiing destination, but I've actually spent most of my time here on the cross-country trails. While you might not hit the same speeds, and going uphill is definitely more work than taking a lift, cross-country skiing has its own unique charm. I especially love the trails that lead deep into the heart of the wilderness. Syöte offers over 100 kilometers of well-maintained tracks, so there's something for every skill level. Today I'm taking a short loop on the Pytkynkierros trail, focusing more on enjoying these sunny views than rushing to the finish line. I've mostly been showing off the sportier side of the winter here in Syöte, but there are plenty of other ways to experience the magic of the north. There are many guided adventures available, like snowmobiling, husky safaris and reindeer rides. These guys seem to have the day off today.
Vähän kylmä.
And it wasn't just a little cold. The temperature was still hovering around minus 30 degrees Celsius. I think I might have picked the absolute coldest time to visit. Usually the weather is much milder, which makes staying active outdoor a bit easier. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed Syöte as much as I did. If you enjoyed the series, please leave a like and subscribe. See ya! Bye!